I'm often asked by our clients and people engaging with the company, what were we thinking in 1999 when we started a company called The Dude?
We knew that somehow the internet was really going to change the game. So that really went into our thinking. In 1999, this was before Google. We don't have, back then we didn't have the fancy terms, cloud computing and software as a service, but we knew that if we could build a system that was built on the internet, for the internet, that we could really solve communication problems.
In each organization, there are major systems, and we believe the job that you do, the job that you're responsible for around enterprise asset management, managing all the assets that makes your organization work and work well, is of equal importance. And when we do studies on that, we're delivering solutions to you that allow you to manage your assets, often at only 10 to 20% of the cost of those other major systems. We just couldn't pass on the opportunity to do that in 1999 when we formed this company and really focused on enterprise asset management and how to fully leverage the internet. So it was exciting times then, but the great times are just now beginning. We believe in constancy of purpose. We know what we do, we know the people we want to serve. So we have a clear constancy of purpose that we want to be the best enterprise asset management solution provider for the markets we serve in the world. And you are totally representative and symbolic of the individuals we want to serve. We want to make you look good and have fun. So there's a lot in our philosophy that's bedrock. It hasn't changed in 17 years. We don't intend to allow it to change in the next 20 years. When we started The Dude, you know, it's easy to say, well, let's build some software and sell it, and it'd be a good tool and you can use and get the benefits from it. We tried to go one step above that and go to a higher level, which we think is very important. We wrote in our original business plan that our goal was to make you look good. This is very important to us. We want to change your life. That's a strong statement. I hope here at Dude You this week, you'll start not only to see how we do it, but if you will network, you will find a lot of people that will say we have enabled them to change their life. And that's just very exciting for us, and that's what we strive to do.
So Kent mentioned earlier the concept of making you look good, and that's part of our mission, is we want to make you look good. And let me explain that just for a minute. Many of our clients ask us, how do you get your batteries charged? They come to Dude University and they see the excitement and the enthusiasm of our employees. And the truth is, we get our batteries charged from this event. This event really drives us, and when we hear from you that you were able to get budget approved, or that you were able to get a project approved in your organization, or maybe there was some questions of the organization where data really informed the organization of what the reality was in your organization. So our software, we're excited when we hear you solving problems with our technology. That really motivates us, it drives us, and often at this event, that's when we get to hear your stories. What we believe is that your organizations are the anchor institutions in your community. When we can make you look good, that gives your organization better information to make decisions. Perhaps they're able to better support your operation, and therefore it makes your organization better. Your organization is a foundational part of the community, and that makes it a better world.
About 50% of the people in attendance at Dude University this year are here for the first time. The other 50% are people that have been here 1, 2, 3, some 8 to 10 times. They keep coming back because each year they see incremental value, they see new solutions, new advancements that justify coming back. The more that technology advances, the more that technology is changing the way we work, think, live, play, the more important it is going to be for human beings to come together and interact in person, real time. And we see that embodied here at Dude University. If you have a question, of course you could email it to someone, but when you at the breaks are talking to one of your peers from another state that's on the same journey that you're on, that can share their insights, their experiences, their lessons learned, their big mistakes. Doing that in person is far more impactful than can ever be done via the web. So one of the biggest reasons to come is just the interaction with your peers, with common challenges, common issues, and common successes, and to share those.
So on behalf of the 500 and growing Dude family, we really want to thank you for coming to our hometown here in Raleigh. This is the largest Dude University of its type. We want to thank you for coming here. We know that sometimes it's not always easy to get the approval to travel and to come to an event like this. We thank you for coming here. We ask you to open your minds and to consider the possibilities, and we hope that you take a few things back and make your organization better.